Hello everyone, this is Sallet One. This video shows you how to restore your wallet. First open the hardware Sallet One device, switch the language, select Restore Wallet on the wallet creation page, check the privacy agreement and user agreement of the Sallet One wallet. Check I have read and accept it, click Next and follow the order into the mnemonic words, backed up when creating the wallet in turn. If you use the method of self-selected mnemonic S plus password plus salt when creating the wallet, be sure to check the mnemonic add salt encrypted and click Restore Wallet. Please enter the password set when creating the mnemonic to expand the wallet. Click Confirm. Set the wallet password. The wallet password must be no less than 8 characters and must contain both uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. Click Confirm. Wallet recovery success. For more information, please visit the official website or follow us on Twitter and Facebook.